Hey everyone, if your pure enrichment heating pad is flashing an F, don't panic. This is the pad's safety system telling you something needs attention. A flashing F usually means one of three things. There's a connection problem between the controller and the pad overheated, or there may be internal damage to the heating coils. This often happens if the pad is folded while hot, pressure is applied for too long, or a simple electronic glitch occurs. Start with a full reset, which fixes most cases. Unplug the heating pad from the wall, then completely disconnect the controller from the pad. Wait 10 to 15 minutes so the internal system can fully reset and cool down. After waiting, reconnect the controller firmly, making sure it's fully seated, then plug the pad directly into a wall outlet. Avoid power strips or extension cords. Turn it on and check if the flashing F is gone. If the error remains, inspect everything closely. Check the power cord for fraying, burn marks, or loose wiring. Inspect the controller connection for bent pins or debris, and make sure the pad is laying completely flat, not folded or bunched. If the flashing F continues after all this, it usually means internal damage, and replacement is the safest option.